Come, let us spill this already spilled juice and conclude on the last episodes of Utando Nestembu. So now these are the episodes that I made on TikTok that I shared with the people on my TikTok page. So enjoy them and tell me what you think about Utando Nestembu. Do leave a comment, but most of all, please, please, please subscribe. Let us get to 8,000 subscribers. Guys, by now I think I made it clear. Mina Makumalo is my favorite. Like, I love Makumalo. I love her hustle. I love how Baby Girl is. I love how free spirited. I love how she supports her husband. I just love Umakumalo. Like, Nyamtanda. But it broke my heart when Umusa Mseleku said, Lente emletela uyahlule kuyenza. Yo guys, as if Makumalo has the power to open her own womb. Ra tseba hore ke dilo tse etsang ke modimo. Yo, like ati le ayenzayo, it's in additional, like it's a cherry on top, but she's failing to do le ebizwele yona emshadweni. Yo guys, yo. And Makumalo said through that whole diary session, while her husband was saying all those things, I wonder if there was a wife that was supposed to insult back, was Umakumalo at that point. Because Umusa cannot make a laughing stock about Makumalo's womb. He does not understand the journey of that woman. Yes, he's the husband, but he cannot walk a mile in Makumalo's shoes. So at this point, like, in Tladitepsinya, Akamratin Seleku, Latalano, Alistelemo rapel or a fall, Alwale.